Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style channel, and today we are going to talk about monthly stock market review. And we will figure out, is it bearish trend, bullish, what's going on with the stock market. Please subscribe for YouTube channel and click like button to support this video. Thank you so much. Let me move to trading view. For easiest trading style, for easiest and simple trading style, we are using trading view. To learn about trading view setup, just go to the description and there is the link to video for the training, and also the other videos for all other trainings. It's very useful, it's completely free. Please use it and like it to support the channel. Thank you so much. Let's start. It's a free version of trading view. You don't have to pay up to 3 indicators. My setup is very simple. I'll show you. I'm using only one indicator, MACD. It's a simple trading style. Only MACD and buy and sell signal, right? Buy and sell signal. That's all. And moving averages, white line MA200, yellow line MA20, red line MA10, and green line MA5. MACD indicator. White line, it's a signal line. And when MACD change color from red to green, it's a bullish crossover, it's a bullish trend. When green change color to red, crossover over the signal line, it's a bearish crossover. When it's downtrend, it's a bearish crossover. When it's uptrend, it's a bullish crossover, right? And green, it's a bullish, red, it's a bearish. So simple. And histogram the same. Green, it's a bullish, red, it's a bearish. Yellow line, it's a zero line, and whatever below zero line, it's a red color and it's a bearish zone. And whatever is green above the yellow line, it's a bullish zone. Okay, that's all simple. Let's do review. Monthly. Let me kind of let me maximize a little bit, right? Let me maximize a little bit. Okay, I have some bars. Sorry, let me delete these bars, clean up. Sorry, my chart is not clean. Okay, bearish trend, right? MACD did bearish crossover beginning of the year. Since that time, from the January 3rd, 2022, bearish trend. And remember, I just want to mention about monthly and weekly we don't use for investment, but it is for investors only. We do monitor it to see the market direction, but I don't use it for trading. I use just for general market direction. But investors can do it, right? Let's see. This is investor SPY. Investor hold the SPY, bought the SPY on July 1st, 2020, right? And hold it up to January 1st, 2022 for 2 years. Hold it for 2 years, bullish trend. Now investors sold it on January. It sold it, and for last 12 years, investor holds it as a bearish trend in reverse position, like for SPY, right? For bullish, we use SPXL 300% long. For bearish, we use SPSS short. It's reverse for 300% bearish. That's so simple, even for investors. Who doesn't like to do trading daily or swing trading? Just do swing trading for the long term, for the long investment, right? And it works. It works very well. Look at this, how simple it is, right? Red, bearish trend. We still bearish, no changes. Mark SPY still bearish. Even it closed above MA5 and between MA5 and 10. So far, it's still bearish. This bar was 3 bars ago, it was far from MA20. Now it came back. Maybe to connect to MA20, maybe it will go bearish again. I don't know. Or maybe it will change direction to bullish. We'll see. So far, still bearish trend, right? So still bearish trend. Okay, let's check on weekly to see. Weekly it's a different picture. Weekly we are bearish. MACD did bearish crossover on October 31st. Bullish crossover. MACD from bearish, from red line, changed direction to green line on over signal line for MACD, and it is bullish. Since that time, it's still bullish. It's still bullish. We have first red wick bar. Maybe it will touch May 20 and bounce around. Maybe no. Maybe it will go down until it will touch the May 200. So far, still bullish on weekly and bearish on monthly, right? Let's move to Qs. Check the monthly for Qs. Monthly for Qs, similar story. Still bearish. Sorry, my chart not clean. Still bearish. MACD still in the red color, in the red position. Still, it's kind of, we can say, we can show you bullish divergence, right? Look at it. Market is downtrend over here, but histogram it's uptrend. It's a bullish divergence, right? That's what we call it, bullish divergence. Market still bearish, but even on monthly time frame, it already built bullish divergence on MACD. Market wants to go bullish. Still bearish trend. MA5 didn't cross over MA10, right? It still can go down and up, but be ready, yeah? In the future it will change direction to bullish because bullish crossover. That's what my expectation. I think that it will go down, touch the bottom. We already have like 1, 2, 3, 4. It will touch the bottom again, and it will bounce from it. That's because we are bearish for last year, for last 12 months. Look at it from, yeah, for a long time. For a long time we are bearish from the new year, right? On MACD we are bearish from new year. This was the top. Bearish from that time. For last 12 months, market in the bearish trend. But MA200 still bullish, right? But and remember, yeah, I believe market will go back to MA200. It's not because I said, because market always is like a snake. The all moving averages, they runs around MA200, and now it was very far from MA200. It wants to come back to MA200. When bars very far from MA20, they comes back to MA20. And when they far from MA200, they always come to MA200 also. And they will come. It will happen. Next year in 2023, 24, it will come to MA200. Maybe it will go even lower, but it will touch MA200 in next year. Okay, let's check weekly. Weekly, yeah, we have bullish divergence, right? We have bullish divergence weekly. It's like we have monthly bullish divergence, weekly bullish divergence. Market wants to change direction to bullish, but remember, it is very huge time frame, very large time frame. Weekly is still bullish. It's completely different, right? Monthly is still bearish, but weekly it's bullish, because MACD, it's a green line, bullish trend, bullish divergence. I believe we will go down. We will have some correction during December, and after that it will be bull run. It will be last bull run. Maybe it will make a new highs. Maybe it will new highs on indexes, and after that it will be last new highs, and after that it will go down. It will be crash and it will go down by end of the next year in 2024. I don't know. I cannot see charts so far from now. I see just what is the next month. I can predict what is the next few months. Not predict, probability. I don't have prediction, I have probability. Let's check. Okay, we check. The daily is bearish, right? Daily bearish, weekly bullish, and monthly bearish. Let's move down. Let's check Dow monthly. Dow monthly bearish trend, right? MACD since New Year for last 12 months it's a bearish. Even it did bull run recently. Still bearish on MACD. It's still bearish on MACD. But it's building, yeah, it's building bullish. It wants to, yeah, no bullish divergences here. No bullish divergences here. So far. Yeah, it's building. It's still, yeah, it's still building. Still building. Still bearish trend. Bearish trend on monthly. Let's check weekly. Weekly it will be different, right? Weekly it will be bullish. Weekly it's a bullish trend. Bullish trend weekly. No divergences. Still bullish with no divergences. Weekly, but daily is different, right? Daily it has bearish divergences and it has bearish trend. Okay. Daily it's a bearish, weekly it's a bullish, monthly it's a bearish. Let's move to IWM Russell 2000. Russell 2000 monthly. Bearish trend, right? Like I told you, it's so easy to use simple trading style. Look at it. September 1st, 2020. Investor bought, not even here, but I would buy here because it touched MA 200. MA 200 is strong support, strong bounce, and it's very far from 820. And we know when bar is far from 820, it always go back to 820. That's what I would do, but it's kind of risky. But yeah, the stock trading is always risky. But it's my pattern. I would follow it because it's far from 820. I have to create video about MA20, MA200. It's powerful. And look at it. But here it was final confirmation. Here we receive final confirmation. We receive buy signal on bars, right? Buy signal on bars. And MACD gave us the MACD, the main indicator, told us green line, September 1st, 2020, buy it and hold it. As an investor, you could buy it and hold it up to November 2021, and sell it because MACD changed direction from green to red. No question anymore. Sell it. Few months later, it gave you the sell signal on the bar, on the same level, right? Sell signal, but it was fine confirmation because you remember it's one bar, it's one month, it's one bar. That's why it takes a very long time to build direction. And from that time, from New Year, it's still from November 2021, it's still bearish. Still bearish on MACD. And it was very far from MA20. Like I mentioned, it was far away from MA20. It always wants to go back to MA20, right? Even without any indicators. Here we knew it's far from MA20, it wants to go back. MA5 did bearish crossover. It is signal also. And MACD did bearish crossover. MA5 did bearish crossover. Bearish signal. So, and it's still bearish till now for last 13 months. And now MA5, maybe it will do bullish crossover. I don't know. Everything possible. No confirmation yet. No confirmation on MACD. Still bearish monthly. Weekly, let's check weekly. Weekly it's a bullish, right? MACD is still bullish. Bearish bar, red bar, sell signal. On MACD is still bullish. Right? We'll see. And let's check Weekly, daily, what's going on? And daily, bearish. Yeah, bearish. Same like for all. Okay, let's do summary. Let's do summary for all monthly. All indexes still bearish for last 12 months and more, still bearish. But on weekly, all indexes, they have bullish trend. And for daily, they all have bearish trend. That's what we have. We have kind of mixed mode: daily bearish, weekly bullish, and monthly bearish. It means if daily will continue to go bearish, it will bring weekly bearish too. It will align all time frames in the bearish condition: daily, weekly, and bullish, and monthly. But so far, that's we have mixed mode: daily bearish, weekly bullish, and monthly bearish. That's all from my end. If you like my simple trading style, the easiest simple trading style, it's very easy. You can yeah, it's simple, but it's not easy. It's not easy because of the emotions. Human emotions, your emotions will always tell some BS and will tell you the not true. It will tell you not to sell, not to buy. Even you will see the green, you will see this green line change to red, and for you it's a rule. It's a rule. You must to sell it. You must to sell it. But you will find thousands of excuses why not to sell it. You have two confirmation: MA5 did bearish crossover, MACD bearish crossover. You must to sell it, but you will find tons of the confirmation because tons of the excuses. Yeah, I don't know. Biden said something, Fed said something, someone said something, everyone, I don't know, TV news something, you know, something. It will be some excuses, but you don't have to follow. I don't follow any news. I don't follow any politicians. I just follow the chart. I trust the chart because chart, it's a data, it's a history. What we have on the chart, it's a past history, and I know emotionally it's the most difficult part. Technically it's very simple, but emotionally it's very difficult, and you will learn it. But only you can control your emotions. No one can control your emotions, only you. And you have to work on it. You have to train yourself, and you have to train your emotions to follow the rules, and you will be successful. That's not easy, but it's very simple. Okay, let me move to disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This video for educational informational purposes only. Please read it. Let's move to last page. Thank you so much. Okay, so thank you for watching simple trading style video, and please subscribe for my YouTube channel, Telegram, Discord community to support the channel. And because the simple trading style works for stocks, ETFs, options, and crypto, I do publish multiple updates daily. If you subscribe for the YouTube channel, you will get notification from any my channels. Please click like button to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and good luck. Bye now.